We are going to compare the fractions 6/7 and 5/7. You're trying to figure out which one is bigger. Now, if you look at these two, you can see that they have the same denominator, or we say like denominators. And that's actually going to make them really easy to compare. But every time you see a fraction, I want you to think about what the numerator and denominator even are. So the denominator is how many pieces the whole is split into. So when I think of a fraction, I picture one whole rectangle, like a cake or something, or a cookie or a chocolate bar. That is the whole, and then it needs to be split into however many pieces the denominator is. So in this case, though, they're actually going to get split up the same way, so it actually is going to be really easy. That's what it looks like when it gets split into 7, and then over here, it's going to get split into 7 as well. So the denominator determines how many people you have to share with and how big the pieces are. But in this case, it's actually going to be the same. Now let's look at the numerator. In every fraction, the numerator refers to how many of those pieces you get. So as you can see here, you're going to get 6 pieces. Let's go ahead and fill in 6. And I'm going to do it kind of messy, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those 7 pieces. And then looking over here at the right, we have a 5. So we're going to get 5 of those pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So looking at those two fractions, the pieces themselves, since you split that cake into 7, the pieces are the same size, meaning this first piece here, right there, is the same size as this piece. All of the pieces are the same size because you split up the cake the same way. So the question is just, would you rather have 5 of those pieces or 6 of those pieces? And you can see which one is bigger. Now, let's go ahead and draw our less than or greater than symbol. And I always think of it like an alligator or like a Pac-Man. So, less than, greater than, less than, greater than. So you can think of it like an alligator with little teeth, and the alligator would eat the bigger number. So you would draw it with the mouth chomping on whichever fraction is bigger. You can also think of it like a Pac-Man, and the Pac-Man is going to eat the bigger fraction. So in this case, 6/7 is bigger because the pieces are going to be the same size either way because you split it into 7. And getting 6 pieces is better than getting 5 pieces. So we're going to draw our symbol eating the 6/7. And we would say this as 6/7 is greater than 5/7.